We'll guide you through how to use the Printful Mockup generator to create stunning product images for your online store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and log into your account. Once you're in, hover over the Products menu at the top and select Mockup Generator from the dropdown. Now, you'll see a wide range of products to choose from. Go ahead and click on the category that fits your product, like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. After selecting a product, you'll be taken to the design interface. Here, you can upload your design files by clicking on the Choose File button. Make sure your design is high quality for the best results. You can drag and drop the design into the placement area on the product. Use the editing tools to resize or reposition your design to your liking. Once you're happy with the placement, scroll down to select the mockup style. Printful offers different backgrounds and model options, so choose the one that best showcases your product. After selecting the mockup style, click on Generate Files at the bottom right. Printful will process your request and generate high-quality images for you. These can be downloaded directly to your computer. Use these images for your website or marketing materials to attract more customers. Remember, the right mockup can really make your product stand out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.